In this video, how to put hiring on LinkedIn profile, I will show you step by step how to add the hiring feature to your LinkedIn profile. First, open the LinkedIn app on your phone or go to the LinkedIn website. Log into your account using your email and password. After logging in, click your profile picture at the top of the screen. Now you will be on your profile page. Look for the button called Open To. Click this option to see available settings. Now select the hiring option. You will need to enter the job title you are hiring for. Type the name of the open position. Choose the job type such as remote, on-site, or hybrid. Enter the job location. Now select the skills you want in a candidate. You can also add a short job description. Review all the information entered. After that, click Add to Profile. The hiring label will appear on your profile. Other people will see that you are hiring. This helps candidates find your job opportunity more easily. This is how you can add the hiring feature to your LinkedIn profile.